question number 5, agriculture infrastructure is highly important at par with post harvest management. बिल्कुल सही बात है, agriculture infrastructure is a need right now. What do you mean by agriculture infrastructure and its importance? तो पहला पार्ट ये बोलता है कि हम agriculture infrastructure से क्या समझते हैं और इसकी क्या importance है. Elaborate government policies in this regard. और गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज की बात करते हैं, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. इंडिया इज अ एग्रीकल्चर इंपॉर्टेंट कंट्री. इंडिया इज अ एग्रीकल्चर इंपॉर्टेंट country from the time of Indus Valley civilization till independence and post independence. ये लाइन लिखना जरूरी है. The Indo-Gangetic plains and the deltas of Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri are providing a good amount of base regarding agriculture through alluvial soil and tropical and subtropical type of climatic conditions. But over a period of time, especially after independence, we are not successful to convert our agriculture status from sustenance, intensive sustenance to sustainable sustenance agriculture. The 5-year planning are having haphazard planning status regarding agriculture. The first 5 plan started with the agriculture, but we lost the pace with the agriculture till 7th 5-year plan. In the first 5 plan, multi-purpose power project work there, and then we introduced the green revolution through intensive agriculture development program in 3rd 5-year plan. Intensive agriculture development program in the 3rd 5-year plan, which is major responsible regarding regional imbalances in agriculture, and only few big farmers are taking the maximum advantage of government policies belong to Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri Delta. According to agriculture economist, in India, agriculture has been affected by so many problems. Number 1, high input cost. Number 2, over dependency upon APMC mandis. Number 3, poor transportation logistic infrastructure. Number 4, poor post-harvest management, which resulting into 2/3 loss of perishable commodity, which either can be utilized, processed or export in the international market. Disguised unemployment and their burden has been increasing. Modernization of agriculture through technology, logistics, infrastructure has been very less. Still we are lacking in the silos, warehouses and storage systems. All are resulting into more than 70% of the growth of marginal and small farmers, tenant farmers. All this problem can be rectified if on the line of Japan and that is the South Korea, we can make the economic base of our country through agriculture. Even Japan and South Korea are the most modernized nation, even China, still the base of their economy are coming through agriculture. In a country like India, when still 50% plus population are dependent upon agriculture directly or indirectly, we cannot ignore agriculture. That's why from 2016 budget onwards, government really emphasizes upon agriculture infrastructure, which has been comprising of road connectivity, warehouse availability, logistics, food processing, availability of mandis as well as cold storage houses. The importance of this agriculture infrastructure: number 1, it can mobilize the farmers far better than existing one. Number 2, it can not only benefit the big farmers, it can also provide benefit to small and marginal farmers. Number 3, it can decrease the cost of production and wastage cost vis-a-vis controlling the food inflation. Food inflation control can further resulting into saving and investment rate high in our country, because Angel's laws are prevailed in our country. Out of 10 rupees, people are spending 9 rupees in the food and other type of utilities. Even it can enhance the export and overall current account deficit can become low. Therefore, India should drastically work upon the agriculture infrastructure, and the recent government policy of working towards agriculture infrastructure and development fund. Recently, government came out with the proposal. Through this, we can develop the APMC mandis, e-NAM, Electronic National Agriculture Market, Operation Greens. Even we are developing the post-harvest, that is a management. The government is developing this thing through the cess on the various items like alcohol, apples, petrol and diesels, which should be around 2.5 rupees and the 4 rupees per liter in respect to the petrol and the diesel. Government through this agriculture development cess can further enhance the overall utility of the agriculture homogeneously within the country. What mistake India did during third and fourth five plan by providing only regional development growth in agriculture, we want to solve through agriculture infrastructure which can be same from northeast to South India to North India to Leh Ladakh, even to the desert region of Rajasthan and the Gujarat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So this is a method to write this type of answers again. अरे कुछ सुन रहे हो? कुछ फर्क पड़ रहा है कैसे लिखते हैं? This is a real importance of Aspire. मैंने बोला ना what is the importance of agriculture infrastructure? This is the importance of Aspire. पिछले 10 सालों से लोग Aspire को ज्वाइन करते हैं एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज सीखने के लिए, आर्ट ऑफ कोरिलेशन एंड आंसर राइटिंग. तो मैं नहीं जानता लेकिन 10 सालों से मुझे यही सुनने को मिलता है मेरे टॉपर्स से, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स से कि सर हम आपसे सबसे अच्छी चीज़ सीखते हैं हाउ टू कोरिलेट द थिंग्स. तो ये मैं आपको सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि कैसे डिफरेंट डायमेंशन को जोड़ा जाता है और उसके लिए एक अच्छी नॉलेज होना जरूरी है. ओनली देन यू पीपल आर इन अ कंडीशन टू लिंक वन थिंग विद अनदर. उसी को कोरिलेशन बोलते हैं और ये पॉसिबल है. मैंने भी तो सीखा होगा ना, मैं भी तो एक सिंपल बीकॉम और एमए इकोनॉमिक्स बैकग्राउंड से हूँ. तो एनीथिंग कैन बी पॉसिबल इफ यू पुट योर एफर्ट्स विद स्टेबल माइंड. पुट योर एफर्ट विद स्टेबल माइंड. क्लियर? चलो आगे चलते हैं.